I have redesigned my logo of the agency, and this is basically contains two G's in it. One is this G, and the other one is in the inverted form. And these four different lines, you know, these four different lines shows the diversity of the design concepts that are provided to the clients while designing process, and the negative space in the two G's represent the growth of the client's business. Outline of the logo represent a sparkling star. So this is the letter, the initial G of the gradient G, and initial of the word galaxy G. So there are two G's, and this is the growth of the client businesses by providing the design solutions to the client, and the whole shape represents the sparkling star. So this is the whole logo concept that depicts the brand values. Our main focus is to upscale client businesses with our brand strategies. Now the sketch is in Illustrator, and I am using ellipse tool to draw my logo, slightly increasing its size. Okay, and I'm going to replicate it so that it finally fit my logo's boundaries. uh, Again, I'm going to replicate it, and the same ellipse, the same ellipse tool of the same size. Okay, so this is the perfect fit. Control C plus Control F, and now I'm copying it, another ellipse tool. Okay, you can see that the sketch is slightly unsymmetrical, but the this is the advantage of using these kind of geometrical shapes to create that logo, that it will give the sketch a symmetrical look, so the whole logo will look so symmetrical. Now I'm using the shape builder tool to join the areas to create the logo shape. Okay, this is done. And now I'm deleting the extra parts by using the shape builder tool. Okay, so this is the logo. Now these are some final text that I have selected, out of which I will select any one. You guys can see that these all are of sans serif, so let's delete them one by one. This is bold, this is not suitable. Okay, yeah, these are bold, but I think does not meet the brand vibe. And the last two are also not working for me. I think, yeah, the bold one will perfectly meet the brand vibe. Let's copy the logo and check its compatibility. Okay, so this one. So I think this font will work for the logo mark, because the basic, you can see that the boundaries are a little bit embedded, like it's look like a stretching logo. The little curvature of the text shows that we are flexible enough to work with our clients. The logo text, the typography has also have no sharp boundaries. You can see it has little embedded boundaries. The boundaries a little bit towards the inner side of the alphabets. So I think this font exactly made resemble the vibe of the logo mark. The logo type is done. Okay, now I'm going to use the guides to adjust the space between the logo mark and the typography. So decreasing its size, increasing the, okay, perfectly matched, but we have to increase the size of the typography a little bit, up to the 3 guidelines. Okay, no, I think yes, it will work better for the logo now. Now we will arrange the logo in the horizontal position as well, increasing its size, drawing a line by using pencil tool, converting the pencil tool to the stroke. Okay, duplicate the line. We need further duplications, and then align these lines by using the align tool distribute them horizontally. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to rotate the line to 90 degree and align it along with the typography. We need to increase, we need to replicate two more lines in the upward direction and in the downward direction as well. Okay, so this is a perfect fit. Now I'm going to decrease the size of the logo mark to fit that grid lines. Okay, so this is the perfect alignment. Now moving towards the color selection of for my brand, and I am using Adobe Color to select the brand colors, and definitely the brand color selection will be based on the brand values, which is the openness, the responsibility of a graphic design studio, as the brand is my own graphic design studio. So I'm using the colors that is a perfect fit for my brand, because the color contains the orange reddish color, the navy blue, the light sky, and a mixture of the enthusiastic color as well as the colors that build trust, optimism, openness, creativeness, innovation. So this color palette contains such blend of the colors that represent all these brand values. So this is the time to display the logos by using the brand colors. And as the background colors are very dark, so I'm going to complement it by using the light colors, the light tones of the brand palette. And I want to display the logo in the horizontal position as well. So these colors are perfect fit, because the orange color shows the enthusiastic, the passion, the importance of the Gradient Galaxy Design Studio in upscaling the client's businesses by providing the captivating and the up to growth and the brand identities to stand among their competitors, while the navy blue and the sky blue color represents the openness, the trustworthiness, the responsibility of the responsiveness of the design studio to scale up the business of the clients. So in the next artboard I will display the brand pattern by choosing the dark background, the navy blue background. Okay, so this is the brand pattern which I have created and saved in the swatch panel by using it. Okay, so you can see the logo is used to create the brand pattern. As the brand is a kind of mature kind of brand, it is not a playful brand. It creates a sense of professionalism. Okay, so here, and the basic story behind the logo is that the logo mark is that it contains and it visualizes the two G's in its logo mark, and it symbolizes the shape of a sparkling star, and the negative space in the logo mark represent the growth of the client business and the client business and the client brand will always a step forward than its competitors. So it is created very carefully and very strategically. Okay, in adjusting the logo marks to represent and display all the brand colors along with the logo. Now I'm clip mask all that elements after grouping these logo marks. Okay, so this is the final display of all these color palettes along with the mini brand guidelines, the mini brand display of my graphic design studios.